So what happens then when we've got 2 dice? The chance of me getting, what's the chance of me getting 2 1s? What's the chance of me getting, or let's say that instead of 2 1s, we'll say a total, if I add the numbers on the top of the dice, of 2. What's the chance of me getting a total, if I add all the numbers together, of 3? What's the chance of me getting a total of 7? Or the chance of me getting a total of 12? In order to get 2, there's only one way I can do it, and that's here. 1 plus 1 will give me 2. No other combination of any dice will give me 2. I can only get a 2 by a 1 plus a 1. So the chance of me getting a 1 is, how many squares do I have? I have 6 times 6 squares. I have 36 squares. So the chance of me getting a total of 2 is 1 chance out of all 36. But how could I get a total of 3? Well, I could get a total of 3 if I had 2 plus 1. That would give me 3. And I would get a total of 3 if I had a 2 and a 1. They're the only possibilities of me getting a 3 if I throw 2 dice. I can get a 2-1 or I can get a 1-2. So the chance of me getting a 3 as my total is, how many chances are there? 2 chances out of how many squares in total? 36. This fraction can be simplified into 1/18. So the chance of me getting a total of 3 when I throw 2 dice is 1/18. What about the chance of me getting a total of 7? Well, that's quite interesting, because now there's a lot of possibilities. I can get a 7 by 6-1, by 5-2, by 3-4, by 4-3, by 2-5, and by 1-6.
7.
Oops, thank you. So but none of the other numbers, if I add them together, will give me the number 7. These are the only ones that will give me a number 7. So how many chances do I have of getting a 7 if I throw 2 dice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chances out of how many squares do I have in total? 36. I can simplify this by dividing top and bottom by 6, giving me a probability of me getting a 7 as 1 chance out of 6. Okay? At casinos, when people do betting, they're hoping that they get a 7. The chance of them getting a 7 is only 1/6. Okay? There's lots of different ways of getting it, but it's still only 1 out of 6. So if you're going to put in 100 kroners hoping to get a 7, and they give you back only 200 kroners as your reward, and you do, the chance of it is 1/6. You're going to pay 600 kroners to get 200 kroners back. Who's winning? The betting people. Yeah? Okay, what about the number 12 then? What's the chance of me getting the number 12? Well, there's only one way I can get 12, and that's if I get 6 plus 6. There's no other way of getting a 12 with 2 dice. So the probability of me getting a 12 is 1 chance out of 36. Exactly the same as the probability was of me getting 2. And that's how we work with probability. And you can fill all of this up. You'll see that there's a pattern. 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5, 5. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. If you add the number from the row and the column together, you can easily see. So it didn't matter how many I asked you. I could have said, how many 10s would you have got? Look at the table here that you filled in. 3 chances out of 36. Could I simplify that? Yes, I could. I could have divided top and bottom by 3. It would have given me 1/12. So the chance of me getting 3 10s was 1/12. And this is how we use our skills in probability to work out the chance of something occurring with non-weighted dice. Okay? Roll the dice. and off you go.